What if E equals mc² was wrong? One of the most powerful, famous equation in the mathematics ever came from special relativity. The equation E equals mc² means energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. It shows that energy E and the mass m are interchangeable. They are different forms of the same thing. What if E equals to mc² was wrong? E equals mc² explains why the sun and other stars shine. In their interiors, atoms fused together create the tremendous amount of energy as described by the Einstein's famous equation. This is also why, for example, scientists were able to learn how to build a single bomb that could wipe out the city, such as an atomic bombs that destroyed the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki at the end of World War II. And world get its first weapon of a mass destruction. They worked on the similar principle that a tiny amount of mass could be converted into a large amount of energy as described by the Einstein. If this equation is true, then there can be practical equation for how Big Bang happened, with known energy was released is equal to the energy of the universe in all forms, can give us some answers to the questions that were unanswered for decades. Like how Big Bang happened, what was the mass of an object that is a Big Bang happened from, what kind of object it be like, and much more. Simply put, an object approaches the speed of light, its mass becomes infinite, and it is unable to go any faster than light travels. This cosmic speed limit has been subject to much discussion in physics and even in the science fiction, as people think about how to travel across the vast distances. If mass becomes infinite, then gravitational force also becomes infinite. So object can probably be a black hole or even more dangerous. Object may have trillion times stronger gravitational force than a black hole. Thus, such objects have been found in the universe. These objects would be more hungrier than black hole itself. If such things be present on the edge of the universe, I think it would practically affect objects on the opposite edge of the universe. I only can think about the great attractor region in the universe, which is the nearest known object of such or similar gravitational force equal to 4,000 septillion galaxies. Tesla said the following on the theory of relativity in the 1935 New York Times interview. The theory wraps all these errors and clothes them in magnificent mathematical grab which fascinates, dazzles and make people blind to underlying errors. What did Tesla want to say? Is equation wrong or equation is incomplete? Do Tesla know about the real equation? If so, what was the reason he never published about this? Was he worried about the future of humanity would be in a danger? Was he looking at one of the weapon of a supermassive mass destruction capabilities?